Okay, let's talk about AI. It can be an absolute game changer for your channel, or it can get you completely demonetized. So how do you use all this incredible power without risking everything? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. Let's get into it.
But first, real quick, if you're serious about this stuff, hit subscribe for @BrandTechAuth right now. You are not going to want to miss what we've got coming up.
So look, this is the deal. Over here, you've got the dream, right? Using AI to reach a global audience, getting your time back, seeing that revenue climb. And then, over here, you have the nightmare. That one little demonization icon that can wipe it all away. What we're going to do in this explainer is show you the safe path from the nightmare to the dream.
All right, Section 1, the AI promise and peril. Let's start with the good stuff, the incredible promise of what this tech can do.
So just how powerful are we talking? Well, the numbers are pretty staggering. AI translation can be 10 times faster than doing it manually. I mean, think about that. What would normally take you a full week can be done in a day. It's also about 15 times cheaper and can hit up to 98% accuracy. This isn't just a small efficiency boost. We're talking about a complete revolution in how you can scale your content globally.
And look, this isn't some sci-fi future. The tools are here, right now. So let's open up what I call your new translation toolkit.
Okay, so what's in the toolbox? You've got a few heavy hitters, and each one kind of has its own superpower. HeyGen, that's your all-in-one professional solution. We're talking perfect lip sync in over 175 languages. It's wild. Then there's ElevenLabs. If you want the most realistic, emotionally rich voice clone of yourself, that's the one. It's just uncanny. RaskAI is a beast for short-form content, super fast turnarounds. And if you're running a big operation and need that human touch for quality control, PaperCup is built for that.
And what these tools do is, well, it feels like magic. They're not just swapping out words, they're actually replicating you. You get voice cloning, so it's your voice in Spanish or Japanese. You get perfect lip sync, so your mouth actually matches the new audio. It can even detect multiple speakers in a podcast. And maybe most importantly, it preserves the emotion, so your excitement or your sarcasm doesn't get lost. It's crazy stuff.
Okay, so that's the dream. But there's a dark side. Let's talk about when good AI goes bad. Because if you just set it and forget it, you can run into some serious, channel-threatening trouble.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. Researchers at University College London actually studied this. They looked at a super popular educational channel, the Amoeba Sisters, when they tried using AI to dub their videos into Spanish. And what they found in the comments section? Well, the audience did not hold back.
Just listen to this comment from a viewer. I was very excited for the Spanish videos, but this robotic voice is terrible. I love your Chanel because you love biology and explain it with so much love. I don't feel the same with the Spanish videos. Wow, that right there is the whole problem in a nutshell. The AI stripped out the creator's personality, that's so much love, and the viewer felt it immediately. The connection was just gone.
And the study found a whole list of these amateur hour mistakes. It wasn't just the robotic voices. You had totally inaccurate translations of key terms, like translating cell as in a biological cell to the Spanish word for a prison cell. Whoops. On-screen text with punchlines was just left in English. And all the clever little mnemonic devices and wordplay that make the channel great, poof, gone.
This is a perfect example. The original English script had a clever little line about genes, the DNA kind, not the genes you wear. Simple, effective. The AI translation just butchered it. The result was a confusing, grammatically broken sentence, and that's the kind of thing that makes a viewer immediately think, ugh, this is just a lazy AI translation, and they click away.
Okay, so how do we fix this? How do you use all this cool tech without falling into these traps and getting flagged? Welcome to what I call the monetization safe zone. It's all about knowing the rules.
You have to understand this one term, inauthentic content. This is a key part of YouTube's policy. See, they're not trying to ban AI. What they're trying to kill is low-effort, mass-produced junk that adds zero new value. You know those channels that just scrape a blog post and have a robot voice read it? That's what's in the crosshairs. That's inauthentic content.
So what's the big takeaway? It's this. Your human import is your monetization moat. That's the secret. Your unique commentary, your personality, your creative choices. That's the wall that separates your channel from the sea of AI spam. It's your ultimate protection.
So before you hit publish on anything that uses AI, just run through this simple checklist. 1. Did you add original commentary or insight? 2. Are you doing more than just having a robot read a script?
3. Do you actually have the rights to use that cloned voice or AI-generated person? 4. Did you check the disclosure box in YouTube Studio? And 5. Is this video genuinely different and valuable compared to your other content? If you can tick all those boxes, you're in a really good spot.
All right, let's bring it all home with the single most important mindset shift you need to make. Think of AI as your new co-pilot.
I want you to burn this into your brain. AI is your co-pilot, not your autopilot. This is crucial. The co-pilot handles the tedious stuff, runs the checklists, helps you navigate, but you are the captain. You're flying the plane. Your creativity, your decisions, your final say, that's what makes the channel yours. Never give that up. So now I've got to ask you, thinking about your own workflow, what is the #1 most tedious task that you would love to hand off to an AI co-pilot? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see what you all come up with.